Tom told me he'd likely do that. Tom told me he'd likely do that. Tom told me Mary didn't do that. Tom told me Mary didn't do that. Tom told us not to do that again. Tom told us not to do that again. Tom was told he has to do that. Tom was told he has to do that. Tom was told not to do that here. Tom was told not to do that here. Tom wasn't able to do that today. Tom wasn't able to do that today. Tom will unlikely do that today. Tom will unlikely do that today. Tom won't do that today, will he? Tom won't do that today, will he? Tom won't force Mary to do that. Tom won't force Mary to do that. We need to remind Tom to do that. We need to remind Tom to do that. What did Tom do that was so wrong? What did Tom do that was so wrong? What made Tom agree to do that? What made Tom agree to do that? Where does Tom want to do that? Where does Tom want to do that? Why don't you ask Tom to do that? Why don't you ask Tom to do that? Why would Tom agree to do that? Why would Tom agree to do that? Why would Tom help Mary do that? Why would Tom help Mary do that? Why wouldn't Tom want to do that? Why wouldn't Tom want to do that? Will Tom allow Mary to do that? Will Tom allow Mary to do that? You ought to tell Tom to do that. You ought to tell Tom to do that. You promised to do that for Tom. You promised to do that for Tom. Ask Tom when Mary will do that. Ask Tom when Mary will do that. Did Tom and Mary both have to do that? Did Tom and Mary both have to do that? Did Tom tell Mary how to do that? Did Tom tell Mary how to do that? Does Tom want to do that with us? Does Tom want to do that with us? Everyone knows Tom can't do that. Everyone knows Tom can't do that. I asked Tom to do that on Monday. I asked Tom to do that on Monday. I didn't know Tom had to do that. I didn't know Tom had to do that. I expect that Tom won't do that. I expect that Tom won't do that. I expect Tom to do that tomorrow. I expect Tom to do that tomorrow. I hear Tom won't do that again. I hear Tom won't do that again. I hope that Tom didn't do that. I hope that Tom didn't do that. I know Tom has agreed to do that. I know Tom has agreed to do that. I know Tom is likely to do that. I know Tom is likely to do that. I sure hope Tom didn't do that. I sure hope Tom didn't do that. I think Tom may agree to do that. I think Tom may agree to do that. I told Tom I'd do that on Monday. I told Tom I'd do that on Monday. I wish I hadn't let Tom do that. I wish I hadn't let Tom do that. I wonder why Tom has to do that. I wonder why Tom has to do that. If Tom can't do that, nobody can. If Tom can't do that, nobody can. Is Tom still obliged to do that? Is Tom still obliged to do that? It was Tom who made Mary do that. It was Tom who made Mary do that. Let's ask Tom to do that for us. Let's ask Tom to do that for us. May Tom and I do that ourselves? May Tom and I do that ourselves? Maybe Tom wants to do that too. Maybe Tom wants to do that too. Maybe Tom won't agree to do that. Maybe Tom won't agree to do that. Perhaps Tom won't do that anymore. Perhaps Tom won't do that anymore. Tell Tom he has to do that today. Tell Tom he has to do that today. Tom asked if Mary had to do that. Tom asked if Mary had to do that. Tom asked Mary how she'd do that. Tom asked Mary how she'd do that. Tom asked me to do that quietly. Tom asked me to do that quietly.